Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the problem of Cash App not verifying your identity. This guide will walk you through a few quick steps that can solve the issue easily. First, make sure your Cash App is up to date. Open the App Store or Play Store, search for Cash App, and check if there is an update available. Running the latest version helps prevent bugs and ensures smooth verification. If the problem continues, try offloading the app. Offloading clears cached data and temporary files without deleting your personal information. It's a safe way to refresh the app and fix minor issues that may block identity verification. Still not working? Then go for a full reinstall. Delete the Cash app completely from your device, then head back to the App Store or Play Store and reinstall it. A clean installation often solves persistent problems and resets the verification process. Once reinstalled, open the app, sign in again, and try verifying your identity. In most cases, this should fix the issue, and that's it. You've now learned how to fix Cash App not verifying your identity. Thanks for watching, and I hope this simple solution helps you get your account running smoothly again.